welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great, and today I am back with a gardening video. I would like to share with you how I prepared my garden for spring. I'm using the same method that I have been using since last 2 years. Especially last year I have implemented raised pots gardening method, and I'm still using that method this year too. And also the trellis I have been using last year, it's continuing the same way. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is all it looks like after taking all the spines off, and as you can see, this is still sturdy, and this is the second time I'll be using it. I might need to tighten up a little bit over there, but so far it is good. My friend is helping me out today. We are trimming this one as well here. And she's my friend, Aurelia. Hi. Hope this was a helpful video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.